Hi, this is a brief introduction to Seth version 3. Seth is the script editor theme for the LiveCode IDE, which allows you to create custom color themes for the script editor. For Seth to operate correctly in the LiveCode IDE, it must be placed in your user plugins folder, and the rev edit script message needs to be selected for Seth from the plugin settings menu. Once this has been done, Seth can be opened by selecting Rev Seth from the plugins menu. On startup, Seth will apply the current selected theme to the script editor and notify you if any updates to Seth are available. Starting from Seth version 3, you'll notice on the left hand side of the editor that the handlers panel has taken on the same background as the main script editor. The text color in the handlers panel will be either white or black depending on the background selected. Colorization schemes can be selected via the theme drop-down and are applied immediately upon selection. Clicking on the edit button opens up the editing panel for the currently selected theme. The top half of the panel allows the general theme definitions to be set. These include the font size, the font, the background color for the script editor, and the background color for the debug editor. The lower half of the editor panel allows individual attributes to be set for each element in the color scheme. Select the element you wish to redefine, then set a color and font style as you require. If you wish, the font styles of bold, italic and underline can be combined. To clear these, just select the font style of none. All changes in the editor panel take effect immediately and are saved to custom properties within the Seth stack. To create a new theme, first select an existing theme as a basis for the new theme to be created. Then press the plus button to open the new theme dialog. Enter a name for your new theme and then hit the Save and Update button. The new theme will be immediately available from the Themes drop-down menu. Themes can be imported and exported to a standard text file via the Import and Export button. To export a theme, make sure the theme you want to export is selected in the Themes drop-down first, and then in the Import Export dialog, choose Export to File, select the destination for your file, and export. To import a theme back into Seth, hit the Import Export button again, and then in the Import Export dialog, hit the Import from File button and select the file for import. When importing to Seth, if the theme name contained within the import file already exists in Seth, you will be prompted to make changes to the import file. These changes are fully documented in the warning dialog. If you wish to delete a theme from Seth, make sure that the theme you want to delete is selected in the Themes drop-down first. Then select the Delete button, and a warning dialog will pop up allowing you to either cancel or confirm the delete. Trying to delete the classic, default or none themes will result in a warning to say that this is not allowed. It should be noted that these are the standard themes of the LiveCode IDE. However, these can be edited within Seth as they are independent of the standard IDE themes that LiveCode uses whilst Seth is running. Although Seth does a check for updates when it starts up, you can do a force check by hitting the Check for Updates button. Once you have your theme selected, you can minimize Seth to a small icon, which can be moved anywhere on your screen to tidy it away and keep it out of view. Double-clicking this icon reverts Seth to its full size and docks it to the left-hand bottom of the standard LiveCode IDE menu. The Bug Reports button opens up a dialog with a button which links to the GitHub issues for Ceph. Hitting this button also copies the Ceph version, LiveCode version and operating system version to the clipboard, which should be added to any report at GitHub. Please use this also for any suggestions you may have. Closing Ceph reverts the colorization to what was being used prior to Ceph being started. If you require any further information about Ceph, I can be contacted at sales@2108.co.uk, or more information can be found on the website under the Products and Plugins menu at 2108.co.uk.